Wix yoga template, how to create yoga website on Wix. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily create yoga website on Wix website builder. So let's click on get started. It's not that hard. We can easily continue with email, Gmail, Facebook or Apple. In my case I'm going to continue with Gmail because I already have an account, so it may take a little time, and after that we'll come to page. From this page here we can manage all of our websites. As you can see, I don't have any website, so let's click on create new site in the right top corner to start creating. The purpose of our video is to create yoga website. So what kind of website are you creating? We can try to input like yoga. So as you can see, we have like yoga instructor website, yoga studio, yoga meditation retreat, yoga event, yoga blog, yoga exercise videos, online yoga class. Basically, it depends on you. I'm just going to click on yoga and I want to find something which is suitable as for us. So basically there is no option. So let's click on yoga blog. Basically, I think it's pretty cool to have like your own yoga blog website. What would you like to call your site? Let it be like yoga site. It doesn't matter. It's only for make it easier to find this site a little bit later. So what do you want to add to your website? We can add blog, chat, bookings, forms, and a lot of different stuff. In my case, I'm going to click on skip in the right bottom corner, because as for me it's much easier to add them later. So everything is done. Basically we can go to dashboard to start managing our like settings, or we can begin with a template. I suggest you to click on begin with a template, as for me this is the easiest variant to start. And as you can see, we have a lot of yoga templates. We can choose to create like our website from these, based on these templates, or we can also click on black templates right up here, and as you can see there are a lot of like different structures we can use. All we need to do is just to fill them with our content, images, text, and so on. But in my case, to make it easier, I'm going to find something which is suitable as for me. I think I saw something on the first page. I think this one is pretty cool, something about online yoga classes. So basically it looks like this website. We can easily change the color theme, all the photos. A little bit later I will show you how to do this. So basically what is interesting is that every single template is responsive for different devices. So as you can see, we can easily view it from our mobile phone. So I'm going to click on edit this site in the right top corner to start editing. It may take a little time, depends on our like server's capacity of Wix and our internet connection. Basically, I think it's pretty cool. All we need to do now is just to wait for a few seconds, and we'll come to our editor. As you can see, it looks like this. So what do we need to know about Wix website builder is that every single website it's like divided into different pages, and every single page contains from different sections. So now we have like home page here. Basically, as you can see, it looks like this. In a few seconds everything will be set up and we can easily continue to edit. So yeah, as you can see, this page here contains from header, this section here, a few sections more, and at the end there is a footer. So basically we can add different sections by simply click on add section here. There are a lot of different templates: welcome, about, team, contact, and so on. Huge amount of different like templates. So we can manage with sections. We can move them up, we can move them down, so we can change the order. So as you can see, we can move it up by simply clicking on this arrow, or we can move it back to the position. We can also edit sections. We can click on more, we can delete, duplicate, copy. So maybe if you don't need this section here about our team or instructors in this case, or about this part here, we can just simply click on more and then just delete. So as you can see, this section was successfully deleted, so it will be easier. Also, I'd like you to suggest to change the site design. So if you don't want to use the wall like this template, we can click on customize from this page and then just choose something which is suitable as for us. It provides us huge number of different color palettes and different font packs. So as for me, I think this part here, or maybe this one here, is pretty cool. So I'm going to use this text and color palette. So yeah, And every single section here contains from different elements. For example, this section contains from this text here, these different shapes, this like text, this button, this like image here. So we can easily change everything here. So for example, if you want to change this text, we can easily change, for example, like helper man yoga. We can rescale it to make it like easier to feel. We can change the position of our text. We can then just click on edit text. We can increase the size. We can make it bold, italic, change the color if we need. So basically it's pretty cool, and every single element could be like changed in this case. So we can change this button, we can change the text, we can change where does it link to, and so on. And every single element here is available to like customize. For example, this image, we can change image, we can go to settings, design, we can crop image. So for example, if we need to make it smaller or bigger, so for example like this, we can click on apply, and now our picture looks like this. We can resize, we can change the position, all the properties are available to change. We can also add the animation, so for example fade in, while we'll scroll, this like photo will appear here. So let's delete this container also, and as you can see, it's pretty easy. So when everything is done, basically we can just simply click on save this website, save everything we just changed, and we can easily publish our website. So we can just simply click on publish in the right top corner, and yes, it provides us the opportunity to publish our website to the internet even if you don't have any paid plans. So as for me, it's pretty cool feature. So as you can see, now everything is done. The text was changed, this animation was edited, everything was like edited by Wix. As for me, it's pretty cool. And if we'll go to dashboard, to do this we need to click on Wix, and we'll come to our website dashboard, where we can manage a lot of different stuff. From this page here, very interesting metrics are like analytics and reports, and also marketing and SEO folder. So we can manage our SEO optimization and view the analytics reports from all the visitors, all the data we have. So as for me, it's pretty cool. And if we'll try to discover the paid plans, we can find that for the yoga website, it's suitable to buy like website plans. We have VIP, unlimited, combo, and only connect domain. So the prices are right up here. As you can see, they often have like different discounts and special offers. So we can easily try to create the website for free, and maybe in the future we'd like to buy the paid plan. So this is a way of how can we create yoga website on Wix. Hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. Goodbye.